What's going on, guys? Today I have a new DeWALT handheld blower. This is a, what's the model number? DCBL722B. This is the latest for 20 volt XR hand blower. So what we have inside, we have the nozzle, concentrated nozzle, with manual, warranty, and the blower. So with nozzle, with concentrator nozzle, it is 338 CFM. Without it, how to remove this? Yeah. Without it, it's 450 CFM and 125 miles per hour. So with this, will take a 20 volt and the flex bolt. Right now I have only 2 ampere hour battery, 20 volt. So we will try if how long this is gonna take. This is on full charge, and I have another one full charge, same 2 ampere, and I have another one here charging. It's just like half work, but still charging. So I'm gonna try 2 of my batteries. I'll put one spare, and I'll put this one here. Feels right? No. Whoa. Nice. So this will be like, it's like electric. Let's see this. Yeah, it works. So let's try this. It's all snow outside, so instead of blowing leaves, we're gonna be blowing snow. So let's try it. Look at that. Nice. It's lightweight also. Lightweight, and this is the blow. So we're gonna be going outside. That was nice. Let's do it. pretty cool. It's so super light, and yeah, it blows easily. And then we're gonna try the concentrator nozzle here. And we can see. See that snow. Did you see, guys, the difference? One more time. So you gotta remove it. Let's see. Well, it's hard to remove. There. I like it with concentrator. I like it with concentrator. It's nice. Can I remove again the concentrator? I think it's hard to remove it. The battery is empty. No more. But this is only 2 amps only. So we're gonna replace it. So the battery is done. No more. So in this 2 ampere amp, you can do your garage driveway. Garage driveway. Okay. A second. Yeah, right there. You can do your garage driveway. Plus 1 hallway. Okay, guys. I think so. I'm happy with this. It's light, easy to grip. There's a when you're pressing this or pushing this, look at the trigger. it locks on that position, and then 2 amp hour battery is good enough for driveway and 1 walkway. So I think this machine is awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't done yet, please subscribe to my channel and like and share. That's it. Have a good day.